In this part of our short series of tutorials, we show you how to easily decrypt and encrypt a document with Ango. In this example, we have received an email with an encrypted attachment. We drag the encrypted attachment from the email window onto the Ango workspace, and immediately after dropping, the file is automatically being decrypted. The decrypted file may now, depending on its file type, be either viewed, opened by another program for further processing, or you might simply store the file. With the View button, the file can already be opened or read within Ango.